Welcome again to Maths by Guru Sikho. And if you are new to this channel, do like, share, and don't forget to press the subscribe button in order to get new videos, get the updates related to your math subject. If you have any query related to any of the questions in particular, you can use the comment section to do so. And I will be surely answering your query. So let's move to the example third, because the rest of two examples of exercise 6.1 we have done in the previous videos. It states that OP, OQ, OR and OS are four rays. There is no line given in the diagram, only four rays are given. We have to prove that the sum of all of the four angles given is 360 degree. Now just look at the figure. If we want to find the sum, we have to find the angles first, but in the figure there is only ray. There are no vertically opposite angles, there are no adjacent angles as well, because there is no line. We cannot also apply the linear pair concept as well, so that is why we have to make a line. So in this sum we will be doing some kind of construction. So in order to make a line, just produce the line OQ. This is OQ backwards, and mark it as any n. So now NQ is the line. So before starting the proof, you have to write what you have constructed. So you will write that produce OQ backwards, which will form a line segment, that is NOQ or simply NQ. Now we have got a line, we will apply the concept of linear pairs. Firstly, this line, above this line there is one linear pair PON plus POQ. Now on NQ, PON plus angle POQ will be equal to 180 degree. Why so? Because this is a linear pair. Clear? Now below this line, angle SON plus angle SOQ. Again on the same line, angle SON plus angle SOQ is equals to 180 degree. Again the same reason, because it's a linear pair. Now SOQ can be expanded and can be written as SOR plus ROQ, because it's the sum of two angles given. So we will write angle SON plus SOQ will be splitted, and SOR plus ROQ will be written in place of that. Angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180 degree, because angle SOQ is equals to angle SOR plus angle ROQ. Okay, so it's clear. So now this and this, we have two equations. Now we will add both of these equations. Now don't cram anything in the mathematics, especially in geometry. Why we have to add? Because the statement that we require on the right hand side, it's 360, and we can clearly see that 180 plus 180 will be 360. That is why we will be adding the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Just add these equations. Now left hand sides will be added and right hand sides will be added as well. So right left hand sides, that is angle PON plus angle POQ plus angle SON plus angle SOR plus angle ROQ is equals to 180 degree plus 180 degree, that's clearly 360 degree. Now there are five angles, but in the statement that we have to prove, there are only four angles. POQ is there, QOR is there, SOR is also there, only POS is not there, but two angles are extra. So PON plus SON, PON plus SON, it's clearly making POS. So we will write angle POS plus angle POQ plus angle QOR plus angle SOR is equals to 360 degree. Why so? Because angle POS is equals to angle PON plus angle SON. It's very clear. So that is why this angle was splitted, and we have to just prove that all of the angle sum is 360. Now there were four angles, this one and this one, so four angle sum is 360 degree. This is how we have to prove. Now just make the diagram simplest, as simple as you can. if you have to do any construction, just don't hesitate in doing that, because without doing the construction we will not be able to solve this sum, because we don't have any ray, we don't have any line, all were rays, and we haven't studied any property related to ray. So that is why you had to do the construction. So don't hesitate in doing that. With this example, we have completed exercise 6.1. If you have doubt in any particular question of exercise 6.1, use the comment section and I'll be replying you with the possible solution. Before leaving, don't forget to press the subscribe button.